Okay, so I just booked tickets, okay, and I'm going to crypto conference, one of the best crypto conference in the world in Dubai, and it's in April. Now, if you want to get 10% discount, use the link down in the description because you can get nice 10% discount. Why do you want to pay the full price? So check this out. So token 2049. They have 2 crypto conferences a year, one in Singapore, and that's in around September, and in Dubai in April. Last year, the September in Singapore was the media reported that it's one of the top crypto conference in the world. Okay, it was recognized for the top, one of the 3 top in the world. They had over 20,000 people, 300 speakers, 400 sponsors, 5,000 companies, and I'm going in Dubai. If you want to see me there, come and join. This is whoever spoke last year, right? So the last year in 2023, we have Vitalik, we have the Peter McCormack from, he's a big podcaster. We have from the Pantera Capital, we have the CEO from Galaxy, we have the Charles Huskinson from Cardano, from Litecoin. We even have from Aave, okay, Stanik Kulechov, sorry if I pronounced the name wrong, okay, founder and CEO of Aave. We have huge name. You can go and see the sponsors and all that stuff, and this year is coming in Dubai. Okay, so in Dubai I will be right there. It will be 2 days, and also they have one more different one in Dubai the same week, and I'm going to catch both of them. All right, so the price is not very cheap. It's around 550 bucks when you watch this video. Make sure you get that discount using the link down in the description. Okay, that's about it. Just check this out. Attendance by industry leaders: Binance, Google, Circle, OKX, Amber, BitGet, MetaMask, Aptos, Goldman Sachs, Polygon, Paxos, Gemini, Crypto.com, Galaxy. This is just Pantera Capital. Wow, Phantom, all of them. It's just crazy. All right, that's about it. If you want the tickets, again, use the link if you want to get some nice discount. If not, it is what it is. All right, see you there. Till the next one. Goodbye.